I'm Scott Van Pelt. I'm Senior Director of Business Development for Prismier. My job basically entails working with the customers, definitely a sales position. Additionally, I'm very involved with our supply chain. I work with all of our supplier partners to try to develop programs, for Prismier and our customers' benefit. We're here at our internal machine shop. We machine both metal and plastic. Again, what you'll see here is both CNC milling of metals, stainless steels, titaniums, cold rolled steel, as well as plastic, high density polyethylene, ABS, different types of plastic equipment. Supplier partners has become such an important part of our growth. What others are doing, that are in the same space that we are, is, they'll go out and find 500 supplier partners. And basically what happens is an opportunity comes into them and they'll send it out to, 30 different places. We don't feel that that puts, us in control and doesn't allow us to, truly take care of that customer the way they need to be taken care of. And it truly becomes a partnership that we can take to our customers and service them the way that the Prismier way.